Initially, I wanted to write about the development cycles, but there is more to support the website than development. There are 3 cycles I can think of: development, QA, and production. It all depends which project management model is selected for the business. Development starts with analyzing what is needed. Maybe competition is doing something that your business is not doing, or maybe it's the next step in the evolution of a company. People are needed for this task to be successful. People are needed for all 3 phases. It's important that those people are independent. The developers have objectives that they are capable of meeting. QA people know what they are testing, know what is expected to deliver. System admins have resources available to them to support the changes in the production environment. If these departments are not independent, they would have influence from each other and often conflicting objectives. Primary goal of the developers is to take the company forward or to fix critical issues. Ideas may come from different people. Developers themselves, QA personnel, system admins, call center people, management, or people from the outside. Developers are good at developing features, but they may struggle on setting the priorities, or they may know the full picture of what is going on. Please don't expect the developers to do this function. This task should be in the hands of different people or automation. If this is not done, developers may go in different directions, or the priorities may be all over, and the developers may not see a clear path forward. QA team validates feature development. Sometimes the QA team can be seen as a balance, but the existence of this team will prevent unneeded changes to go into the production environment. Of course, the developers can do the validation, but the framework needs to exist that will prevent unsupported changes from going into the production. Framework needs to exist even for the QA people to validate the changes. Some of the validation can be done by the developers, but it is dangerous to have conflicting priorities for the same people that develop and do the feature validation. It depends on which development model is selected. If it is selected to release small changes to production more often, then it is easier to test small changes than big ones.